The beltless system on the Roboze Xtreme series allows the printing precision of up to 15 microns and the printing speed of up to 4,000 millimeters per minute. The design of the rack and pinion for the XY axis allows for particularly low friction, thus increasing the hardness while reducing wear and tear and increasing the lifetime of the Xtreme systems. The Z-axis is automatically calibrated. This innovation allows to increase the repeatability of the printed parts over time. This automatic operation takes place before printing and is important for obtaining high-quality parts and for speeding up pre-printing operations. The Roboze One Xtreme presents a vacuum plate aimed at guaranteeing perfect flatness and adhesion of the parts during the 3D printing process. It also reduces machine management operations between one job and another. The build plate of the Roboze One Xtreme is a volume equal to 300 by 250 by 200 millimeter and is able to reach 100 degrees Celsius, ensuring thermal stability and greater adhesion. Housed together with a vacuum box in the support system cabinet, the Roboze HT filament dryer, designed and produced by the Roboze R&D team for the important function of preparing the filaments during the pre-printing phase. This maintains the optimal drying temperature for each material in the extrusion process. Thanks to the automatic loading of the filaments, the system guarantees the quality of the parts produced and increases productivity while accelerating the preparation phase.